What's up mga kamoto, and welcome back sa ating panibagong video. Ito ngayon ang ating speaker sound check and unboxing. So ito na po yung sound check natin sa Yubao M14. So ito na po siya guys. Dumating na po yung order ko sa Lazada from Yubao Philippines. So turn on natin siya. Long press lang. So ang kanyang turning on ay parang standard yung sa mga, alam naman natin yung mga class A na mga JBL, parang ganyan, parang JBL yung kanyang introduction. So we will try to listen to the music.
I'm walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for me. I've been flying from town to town.
So, mayroong function ito sa kanyang lights. Ito. To turn it on, you press the button. So, parang ito, dalawa ang kanyang style ng RGB lights. Off. Bali tatlo pala yung RGB light niya na styles. So play natin ba ulit. So na max volume ko. Max volume.
I need you to listen, I need you to hear, and don't show anything. I've been flying from town.
So ayan guys, yung kanyang tunog. So later I will review about it.